Hello, my dear students. Welcome in very first video lecture of our comparative anatomy of vertebrate paper, which is the third paper of your second semester. So, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about the integumentary system. So, you might have the question that what is an integumentary system? So, integumentary system is a set of organs which forming the outermost layer of animal's body, which means अगर simple language में बताऊँ तो this is the outermost covering or skin of any animal, which is called as integumentary system. It just acts as a physical barrier in between external and internal environment of animal. सीधी बात है, वो प्रोटेक्शन का काम कर रहा है और मेंटेन कर रहा है ह्यूमिडिटी एंड टेम्परेचर इनसाइड द बॉडी ऑफ एनिमल. The integumentary system includes hairs, scales, feathers, hooves and nails. तो outer skin पे क्या क्या होता है, you all are aware of that. So this is the short term we can say that integument means skin of any animal. It has a variety of additional functions, so it just not act as a protecting layer only. It just maintains water balance inside the body. इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द डिपर टिश्यूज़, यानी जो भी अंदर के बॉडी के टिश्यूज़ हैं किसी भी एनिमल के, उसको प्रोटेक्शन का काम कर रहे हैं. एंड इट जस्ट हेल्प इन एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा वाटर और बॉडी टेम्परेचर रेगुलेट करने में हेल्प कर रहा है. And it just acts as a receptor, sensory receptor. We all know that we have five sense of organs. So one is our skin, from which we just sense the pain, sensation, pressure, temperature. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हम feel करते हैं. So the sense of feel is done by the skin. It is one of the sensory organ also. So here I have the diagram of integument. So basically integument is made up of three layers. So in spite of watching here, let us just proceed. So in this now we are going to see the structure and function of the skin, that is integumentary system. So first of all we will just focus on the structure. The skin is one of the largest organ, as all we know that जितना बड़ा एनिमल होगा उतनी सारा बॉडी उसका कवर किया होगा स्किन ने. सो दैट्स वाई द लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन इज नथिंग बट द स्किन, so which acts as a protective layer. The skin integument comprises और इट्स composed of organs. So जो है ये दो लेयर से बनी होती है, एपिडर्मिस एंड डर्मिस. Okay, now in epidermis, what is epidermis? So epidermis is a term, Greek term, which is having or which is made up of two Greek terminologies, which in that epi means over and derma means skin. So in short we can say the layer upon the skin or over the skin is called as epidermis, and dermis is also a made up of Greek term, that is derma. Derma means skin. So basically दो लेयर से बनी है, integumentary system दो लेयर से बना है, first epidermis and then dermis. सो एपिडर्मिस जो है वो आउटर कवरिंग है स्किन के ऊपर की, एंड डर्मिस जो है वो इनर कवरिंग है. एपिडर्मिस इज कंसिस्टिंग फ्लैटन्ड एंड डेड सेल्स. तो एपिडर्मिस में क्या होंगे, डेड सेल्स होंगे. And then it also has cells undergoing keratinization. So keratinine or keratinizing cells are also included in or is also a part of epidermis. And finally it also has the stem cells or melanocytes. Melanocytic cells are also there. सो मेलानोसाइट्स क्या होते हैं और केराटिनाइज्ड स्किन या केराटिनाइन क्या होता है. तो केराटिनाइन इज द chemical we can say, which just forms our nails, which just get hardens and forms our nails. So is a kind of hardening structure or hard structure which just protects the body. और जो second thing है melanocytes, तो melanocyte is the uh, uh, hormone or is a chemical which just gives the color to the skin. So whatever our color is bright or dark shade, that is because of the secretion of melanocyte. And second and the last thing that this epidermis has is ending. Nerve endings are also present in epidermis. Now let us talk about the derma. Beneath the epidermis, dermis is there. So dermis मैंने अभी बताया that it is a oriented, or it is taken from the Greek terminology, that is derma, and which means the skin. It comprises two sections. One is papillary section and second is reticular layer. So papillary section में जो होगा सारे vessels होंगे and glands होंगे, and reticular layer will have the connective tissues and hair roots, sensory nerve endings होंगी, वहाँ पे muscular tissues होंगे, and it just has that sensory system, and it has connective tissues, vessels जो है, nerves जो है वो वहाँ पे dermis में होती है. And beside these two layers, जो इनर मोस्ट मसल्स है, जो डीप मसल्स है, मस्कुलर सिस्टम है, उसके और इस इंटीग्यूमेंट्री सिस्टम के बीच में एक और लेयर होती है जिसको बोला जाता है हाइपोडर्मिस, विच इज़ मेड अप ऑफ एडिपोज टिश्यूज़. सो एक लूज जोन है, एक सबक्यूटेनियस जोन है, जो दोनों सेक्शंस को, मस्कुलर सेक्शन को और एपिडर्मल सेक्शन को सेपरेट कर रहा है, एंड दैट इज हाइपोडर्मिस. So let us just see here. In this picture you will get a clear idea about epidermis, dermis and hypodermis. So this upper layer, this is epidermis. As I said that it comprises the dead tissue or dead tissue layer, and beneath that keratinizing cells are there, and then nerve endings देख सकते हो आप यहाँ पे. Nerve endings are there. It has certain type of melanocytes there, and ये जो है this is the covering which is present upper or over to the dermis. Okay, and so this is epidermis, and beneath this is the dermis. So you can see the dermis is having the hair roots, जो मसल फॉलिकल्स है वो है यहाँ पे. वेसल्स आर ऑल्सो देर, कनेक्टिव मसल्स आर देर, और फिर अदर टिश्यूज आर देर. So this is what it comprising, and the final structure, that is hypodermis, is there. So it acts as only a barrier or only a connection between this integumentary system and the muscular system which is present beneath this or inside the body of any animal. So जो organ system या internal body environment है, जो inner most muscles हैं, उनको separate कर रहा है integumentary system से कौन? Hypodermis. So hopefully you have got an idea about the structure of this integumentary system. In our next lecture we will talk about the integumentary derivatives. So till then, have a nice day.